Meet the all-new kits for Polaris Ranger. These systems are designed for select 2018 and newer XP1000 full-size and crew models. Designed and engineered to match and complement the factory fit and finish of your Ranger. These components are purpose-built to the exact specifications to ensure the best-in-class fitment and look. These are the easiest side-by-side kits to install and set up, all to ensure an epic off-road audio experience. These kits all utilize Rockford's element-ready technologies, making them purpose-built for the off-road environment. Built to stand up to water, dirt, mud, UV rays, making sure all your audio components perform regardless of the conditions. Now, before we jump into the kits, Stages that feature rear speakers like the 2, 4, 6, and 6 for ride command require a Polaris Ranger poly roof. Let's start with Stage 1, featuring a PMX multimedia source unit and 5¼ inch element-ready speakers. It's housed in a single enclosure, and the speakers and source unit come pre-installed, which means no additional setup or tweaking is needed. All the Rockford Fosgate sound, easy installation, quick smartphone connection, and right out of the box performance, so everything just works, so you can too. We'll move up to Stage 2, an M0 element-ready system. The kit features a PMX1 multimedia source unit with 6½ inch element-ready speakers in front and rear speaker pods. And with Bluetooth connectivity, it's easy to control your music and take your playlist no matter where you go. Step up to Stage 3, an M1 Color Optix system. This kit upgrades you to the PMX2 color screen multimedia source unit that features Pandora radio, and adding our M5 800-watt 4-channel amplifier, and you'll have plenty of power to drive the 6½ inch front speakers and the 10-inch subwoofer. With the all-new amplifier preset feature, you'll get out-of-the-box performance. No settings or adjustments are needed. Next is Stage 4. Building on all the great features of Stage 3, this kit nearly doubles the amplifier power with the M5 1500X5. 1500 watts of power, and with the addition of the 6½ inch rear speakers, you'll be fully surrounded in sound. Next up, Stage 5. This kit upgrades the front 6½ inch speakers and 10-inch subwoofer to the M2 Color Optix models for the highest sound quality possible. The multimedia source unit is also upgraded to the PMX3 that features a Sirius XM ready tuner and incorporates a component video input for adding a backup camera in the future. If you're looking for the ultimate system for your Ranger, Rockford Fosgate is proud to now offer Stage 6. This kit is built on the powerful performance of Stage 5 with additional rear 6½ inch speakers, making it the loudest audio system possible. Stage 5 and 6 are also available as a kit that allows you to use Ride Command as your audio source, featuring the best interface adapter on the market, ensuring your system is noise-free and crystal clear. We've highlighted some of the features and benefits of Stages available for select 2018 and newer Polaris Ranger models. For more information, please check out our website at rockfordfosgate.com. If you have questions, don't hesitate to call us at 1-800-669-9899. I'm Eric, and we'll see you in the next video.